Thank you so much for your time and being here, and I would like to thank Taqniya for having me as well. This is Jawharah Alabdulqader, CEO and founder of Nomadroid. We are an indie game studio. At Nomadroid, At Nomadroid, we want to bring fragments of joy and a lasting experience all through video games. We aim to create timeless legacies that the players can always go back to. We really care about having memorable and replayable games that shows our culture and values in the best, most entertaining way possible. We have a deep understanding of our culture and believe that we can represent its appeal beyond stereotypical images. معلش الكليكر لازم أوجه عليه, so please bear with me. طيب, our PC game is Netherloon. It's a highly replayable game based around the golden age of Islam with a steampunk twist. I know يعني this pitch is kind of different, and inshallah it would be fun because it's for a game. Netherloon is a highly satisfying game that shows our culture in its full glory, where you play as a broken time machine that dashes in a first ever fusion of golden age of Islam meets steampunk or industrial age style. Netherloon is a single-player 2D action-adventure roguelike game where you dash to attack, to traverse and reach new places, and also attack enemies and advance. If you are familiar with the roguelike genre, the roguelike feature of the game allows for replayability, in the sense that the more you play the game, the more abilities that you can unlock to progress further. This lends itself perfectly into the time loop narrative feature of our game. The game is set in a world where civilizations rise and fall in an endless loop. Gameplay occurs in an underground civilization, and here is a sample of one of the environments, a broken city, and our player character. Okay, so behind what you just saw is a team of 8 dedicated and fast-learning people. We are artists, programmers, designers, and we wear multiple hats interchangeably. We have members with game-related experience in startups, also founding groups and companies, successfully shipping games previously, and having more than 5 years of experience in project management. To give you a little bit more of a context about us, we are under the Game Changers program that's been managed by MCIT and AIC. We have graduated recently from the program, and we have been trained by world-famous game school DigiPen, and also we have been part of the business accelerator Astro Labs. So under DigiPen, we have been trained by a very competent mentors that have been previously working with Nintendo, Microsoft, and also Disney. Excuse me, it's kind of lagging. So the studio is already very active in the gaming industry, and as a team we have been praised by the quality of work we have done by local game dev communities and global developers alike. These are some of the many games that we worked on previously. We have been working on 10 games under Game Changers, as you can see. These games have been featured in the Arab Game Awards and have international reviews also on YouTube. We have achieved all of that in 8 months and minimal marketing. So we are aiming for the global market, and our approach is B2C, focused on MENA, North American, and European markets. We will answer to MENA's growing demand and interest in indie games with a game that has a relatable charm and the local setting, while also introducing that same concept to US and Germany, since research shows that US and Germany have the most welcoming and receptive gamers to trying new indie games. Specifically, we are targeting gamers that are between the ages of 18 and 35. This game caters to them in the best way possible, since it can be replayed and revisited anytime. Since, as you can see, their average playtime is very minimal. It's only 7 hours a week, and it's something that they can enjoy between their many commitments. So we will offer a one-time purchase at a fixed price, and we plan to offer early access, which will allow for early revenue generation, enabling us to continue to expand our game while also incorporating feedback from early gamers and adopters. This model works very well with the roguelike genre, which is a $1.2 billion market, because it will allow for the ongoing release of levels post-launch. This only serves to improve the game further. The game is big and we want to maximize its appeal, so it's going to take 1 year to develop, and we're looking for the support of accelerators, grants, investment, and also publishers. So we are concluding. This has been Jawharah Alabdulqader. Please, if you want to check our game and even play it, you can find us in mentorship room number 5. And I would like to know your questions as well. So please visit us for a lasting experience. This has been Nomadroid. Thank you very much.